An oxygen sensor, also known as an O2 sensor, measures the levels of oxygen in your vehicle's exhaust gases. It plays a vital role in ensuring the engine's efficiency by monitoring the air-fuel mixture combusted in the engine cylinders. Oxygen sensor located in the exhaust system. Most vehicles come equipped with at least 2 oxygen sensors. The first sensor, known as the upstream sensor, measures the oxygen levels in the exhaust. The second sensor, known as the downstream sensor, measures the oxygen levels after the exhaust gases have passed through the catalytic converter. This helps assess the efficiency of the catalytic converter in converting harmful exhaust gases. The oxygen sensor signal is help the ECM to determine the air-fuel mixture ratio. For example, the sensor signal showing rich ECM will reduce the fuel quantity, and the signal showing lean ECM will increase the fuel quantity for better engine performance. A failing oxygen sensor could lead to the ECM being unable to regulate the proper air-fuel ratio, which can cause engine performance issues. In this video we are discussing about the symptoms of bad oxygen sensor. 1. Check engine light on. One of the most common signs of a faulty oxygen sensor is an illuminated check engine light on your dashboard. The engine control unit constantly monitors all the sensors in your car engine while you drive the car. If one of these sensors' values is out of the specified range, the check engine light will show up. 2. Rough idle and engine performance issues. A faulty oxygen sensor can imbalance the essential engine functions, leading to rough idling, poor acceleration, and engine misfires. The sensor plays a crucial role in maintaining the correct air-fuel ratio. When it malfunctions, the engine may struggle to perform optimally, resulting in a rough idle and reduced power. 3. Fuel efficiency. A bad oxygen sensor can significantly impact your vehicle's fuel efficiency. If the sensor fails to accurately measure the air-fuel mixture, it may cause the engine to run too rich or too lean. Running rich means there is excess fuel in the mixture, leading to decreased fuel economy. On the other hand, running lean indicates insufficient fuel, which can also result in poor gas mileage. If you notice a sudden decrease in fuel efficiency or consistently lower mileage than usual, it could be a sign of a failing oxygen sensor. 4. Odors and black smoke from exhaust. A bad oxygen sensor can cause the engine to run rich, which means there is an excess of unburned fuel in the exhaust. This can lead to strong and unpleasant odors, such as a sulfuric smell or the distinct scent of gasoline. If you notice these smells coming from your exhaust, it's an indication that the oxygen sensor is not accurately measuring the air-fuel mixture, resulting in an improper combustion process. Another visual symptom of a faulty oxygen sensor is the presence of black smoke coming from the exhaust. When the air-fuel mixture is imbalanced due to a malfunctioning sensor, it can lead to incomplete combustion and causing black smoke from exhaust. 5. Engine sounds. A failing oxygen sensor can contribute to unusual engine sounds, such as pinging, knocking, or rattling noises. When the air-fuel mixture is imbalanced, it can lead to carbon buildup in the combustion chamber, resulting in these abnormal sounds. 6. Engine misfires or stalling. A failing oxygen sensor can result in engine stalling or misfires. When the sensor is unable to provide accurate readings of the air-fuel mixture, it can cause the engine to lose power or misfire. This can be particularly noticeable during acceleration or when starting the engine. 7. Failed emissions test. If your vehicle fails an emissions test, a faulty oxygen sensor is a likely culprit. Oxygen sensors are crucial components of the emissions control system. They help monitor the efficiency of the catalytic converter and ensure the reduction of harmful exhaust gases. A malfunctioning sensor can result in elevated emissions, causing your vehicle to fail the emissions test. 8. Damaging catalytic converter. The catalytic converter's role is to reduce harmful gases exiting your exhaust system. If the oxygen sensor fails to detect the proper air-fuel mixture, it can lead to an excessive amount of unburned fuel entering the catalytic converter. This can cause the converter to overheat, resulting in its failure.